I have to clean all of my dirty implements, so let's get started. I use Lucas-Cide, and Lucas-Cide is a ½ ounce per gallon of water. So let me fill that up. Instead of doing a whole gallon, because this is a gallon container here, I am gonna do half of that. So for the half of gallon of water, I'm gonna do a ½ ounce of Lucas-Cide. Okay, and we're right there. Water, I have my measuring cup over here. I'm gonna fill this up to the 4-cup 32-ounce line twice. My Lucas-Cide and just pop that right in. And then pop my lid on. And then I'm all ready to go. When it comes to cleaning your tools, we have 3 parts: cleaning, disinfecting, and sterilization. I live in the state of New Jersey, and State Board of Cosmetology with New Jersey, I'm not required to sterilize my tools and to use an autoclave, so you will not be seeing me use one because I don't have one. In this video, you'll be seeing me clean and disinfect all of my tools. So the first part that I have sped up, so you will not be seeing me do this in real time, I am cleaning. The definition of cleaning is a mechanical process or scrubbing using soap and water to remove all visible dirt, debris, and many diseases causing germs from tools, implements, and equipment. The soap that I'm using is antibacterial soap. Now, depending on your state board rules and regulations, you either are going to be doing this step manually, like you are seeing me in this video with soap or antibacterial soap, or you are going to be using an ultrasonic cleaner. Just remember, for the cleaning process of your metal implements, you have to be following state board rules and regulations. Also, I just want to add one thing. While you are in the process of cleaning and disinfecting your tools, please always remember to wear your gloves. After I've washed all of my tools, everything is just going to sit out here on both my towels to dry. Once everything dries, then we'll be right back and put everything in my disinfectant tray and my barbicide container. After cleaning, next up we have disinfecting, which is the chemical process that uses specific products to destroy organisms on non-porous surfaces. The process requires the use of an EPA-registered disinfectant prepared and applied following manufacturer's instructions. With Lucas-Cide, my instructions are to have everything sit in the disinfectant for 10 minutes. Now that the 10 minutes are over, we're going to take everything that's been sitting in the disinfectant, take it out, rinse everything, and then lay it back on the towels and let everything dry before we put it away in containers. Once I'm done cleaning and disinfecting my tools, this is what everything looks like at the end. I'm letting them dry one last time. Once they are dried, I'll put them in the appropriate containers. As you can see, I'm using plastic containers and not sterilization pouches. As I said before, I don't use an autoclave because I'm not required to use one by New Jersey State Board of Cosmetology. Since I'm not required to use one, I don't put away all of my tools in sterilization pouches. The one main reason why I don't use those is because some state boards in the US will actually fine you for using sterilization pouches when you don't actually have an autoclave. Now, in between me editing this video, I actually did clean these plastic containers. I didn't show you, otherwise this video would have been 10 times longer and no one would have realistically sat here and watched this video. I also do want to add, when I'm done with this whole entire process, I do clean the sink as well. I like to go in with my prevention disinfecting wipes, which have a 1 minute contact time, and I clean the sink and every little square inch. I take all of my towels, put them in my dirty bin. So all of that you don't get to see off camera. If anyone has any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. And my disinfectant that I did use, I will be listing that in the description down below, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.